guys, this is Jonah once again. How is everybody? I hope you are doing great. In spite of the storm, tropical storm last Sunday, we're good. God is so good. And then today, like I said, we're cleaning here, so I found a lot of old items for gardening ideas. So what you're seeing right now is this old bird cage that I utilized way back 2019 when I created this too, but I'm not yet on YouTube. I just posted it in Facebook 2019. So there you go. So I'm gonna clean it because I found this on the side of the house, and plus this one. This one is also yucky, rusty. So what I'm gonna do is paint it. We will spray with painter's touch. This is black for the bird cage, and this is color green, hunter green, for the metal table and chair. All right, I need to paint the bird cage. Alright guys, these are the bird cage, and I'm gonna shake the paint, and then I might paint this too. Alright guys, this is my birdcage practice, and if you wanna see how did I created this one, please keep watching. You will notice I just put a lot in front, and on the side it's just inside. I didn't put anything on the lower portion because that's the style. Alright guys, thank you. Keep watching so you will see the tutorial. This is just my practice, so I'm gonna give you the tutorial. Thank you. Alright guys, I'm gonna start. So this is the bird cage that I painted, repaint. So there's already drainage hose on the bottom. Make sure you put a drainage hose so your plants will lasted. And this is this cocoa basket liner, and I'm gonna show you how did I put it inside. Alright guys, so the whole liner, I just push it inside. I didn't cut anything, I didn't trim anything here. I just push it inside. Keep pushing. There you go. So now you can arrange it. I don't mind this things. Part of the cocoa liner is out. You can rearrange it as you go on creating the plants, the bird cage. So you can put it like that. You can fix it based on how you want. So I will keep pressing. pressing. So see, it's more, yeah, it's more balanced now. Okay, so you don't mind, it's okay, this one here outside, and you can still continue to fix it, especially when you're putting the soil. So now I'm gonna put soil. Time for soil. Soil is the same, my amended potting soil. Alright guys, it's done. And I just need to clean. I'm gonna spray water for them to be filled better. So hot. A little bit with water, squeeze a little bit, and then I put on the top around the plants. What's my purpose? So that the plants will be hydrated a bit. So this one, as I keep potting, leaves keep falling, and you will notice that this is bigger plants. Most of the plants inside are bigger because I want to see which one is better, the medium size or bigger size. But some of the cuttings are I put on the top of these sphagnum as they will grow. They will produce roots as long as we spray regularly. All right, guys. So that's the way I do it. You poke this coco liner and then insert your cuttings, and then the one with the roots mostly I put inside. All right, I'll give you the rebuild. Thank you.